Russ back here again, and welcome back to the MT and me. Now this week's video is going to be a little different from what we had planned. Normally, you'd be seeing what we did a couple of weeks ago right now, but this week I'm speaking to you in almost real time. That's because our computer crashed. Now luckily, we had a little money saved up for engine repairs, and we were able to buy a bigger and better computer. So in the long run, this bad something has turned out to be a positive thing for us. Also, our friend Sam has the ability to recover what's on the crashed hard drive. So eventually, you're going to be able to see videos 8 through 11. But for this week, you got me. And Ree's even letting me use my notes on this one. Also on the bright side, this is going to give me a chance to explain the name of our channel. MT. Not empty. MT. Now, that's the logo, the old logo anyway, for the Mobile Traveler Motorhome Company. Now let me point out that the Mobile Traveler is already the name of a YouTube channel. And aside from Meet Randy, the Mobile Traveler, being on our bucket list, there's no connection between our channel and his. Ree and I spent a lot of time bouncing different names around. We wanted to respect Randy and his brand, but still, we wanted to celebrate the fact that our RV was manufactured by this company that we think was ahead of its time. So we finally decided just to add me to the logo. So we get MT and me. MT for Mobile Traveler and me for me. Now, why me? Well, aside from our love of alliteration, this is not a how-to channel. We want this channel to be about the MT and me. Now, Rhea's here, and she's going to be supporting me as she has for the last 30 years. She's going to be right along for every step. But these videos and this channel is all about this old MT and me. It's between the two of us. Oh, by the way, we have officially christened the MT. Her name is Pearl. Ree compared the MT to her childhood doll, poor pitiful Pearl, and the name stuck. Pearl's backstory says she just needs to get cleaned up and have someone spend a little time sprucing her up, so she'll be so beautiful that everyone will admire her. We figure that story is going to apply to Pearl the MT as well. Oh, and when the day comes that we hit the road in her, Pearl the doll is going to be riding along with us in a special seat of honor. So that's about all the time we have for this week's video. Next week, we'll tell you about the other bad thing that happened this week. So be sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss a thing. Also, be sure to like and follow us on Facebook. Till next time, I'm Russ, Ree's behind the camera, and we'll talk later.